Today I am reviewing this Firecore 16-foot grade level. It is telescoping. They sent this to me directly to review, and thank you for that. Now we'll review it. Honestly, you can see it comes in this little canvas bag with a carrying strap. It has a loop that if you needed to attach it to something right here, it'll hold, and it has a Velcro strap on the top. The bag's okay. It's probably on the cheaper side. It is reinforced on the bottom, so if you're banging this thing into it a little bit, it should hold up okay. But if you're a contractor and you're taking this thing in and out all the time in your truck, this bag probably could be a little bit heavier duty use. But overall, for an at-home person like me, it's fine. You can see it is nicely marked yellow. The marks, you know, it is labeled on both sides. And you can see how it has a telescoping feature up top with, I think, 5 different features. You simply telescope up like this. Very easy. It comes in and out nice. So you could attach a level to it very well. And it does give you tenths on this side right here. I don't know if you can see that, where it's giving you a little bit of a micro adjustment as well. It does come with a little bubble level, which is nice to know that you have this level. I live out in California on a hillside. I'm in a canyon, and there's some projects I want to do, which is why I was interested in this bubble level, which I figured would be useful to have. Here's the little bubble level right here. You know, just knowing the grade of different things. I'm doing some plumbing work, and I'm gonna have to know it's at the right grade. We're redoing a patio, so I thought this would come in handy later on. You can see you just attach the bubble level in here. Goes right in here. You can see it right here. Just this little slot on the bottom part of the telescoping handle. It is aluminum. It's nice and sturdy. I wouldn't want to run it over or anything, but you can see over here, if I'm attaching it, these will end up clicking into place as such. To lower them again, there is on the back panel, there are these little buttons right here. You just simply push that in. Super easy to do to lower them all back into place. You can see it easily goes down into probably about 4 feet. The length overall, so it fits in any truck bed or most trunks if you are you know, moving it around. It is reinforced here on the bottom as well with this plate. Easy to read with the yellow on this side. It even shows, you know, it has some red markings on you know, things that are, you know, relevant sides of the marking. I can easily measure a grade either using a string line. It would be nice to have some sort of attachment right here with some sort of stick to make sure you're flat. But overall, you're going to want to get a laser level to really have a good time checking grades with this. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.